Hello everybody, Martin Moncayo here, and today I want to make a quick video tutorial and show you how you can create a new Gmail for you or for your business so that you can start using it to send emails, to receive emails, and in that way, I'll reach new people, new clients, and expand your business. So super important in here to go to gmail.com. Here you can add if you already have an account or create an account. We go to create an account. It will show you three options for yourself, for my child to manage a business. If you want to create one for yourself, normally you will have your name and last name, one number, you can do it. If you want for one of your childs, if you're already a parent, you can do that as well. Or if it's to manage a business, in this case I want to have one for my business. So let's see how it goes with this one. Martin V, then last name Gallo. Okay, next. Then your date of birth. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, mail. Now Gmail automatically will give you some options that you can pick based on your name, based on your information. If it's a personal account, I will pick the first one, but I want to create my own Gmail address. Okay, and for this, since I have a business called Fit Patient Gain, and I want to use this email, to start the business, to start testing some ideas, send some emails to potential clients, also gather information from competition, and receive emails in this email. I want to use this email for that, for market research and only business purposes, not for personal stuff, only for business purposes. So let's go. In upcoming videos, of course, I would like to show you how to create a business Gmail account. This one is a free account. The business account costs $6-7 per month, but instead of having @Gmail at the end, it will have your domain name at the end. So let's go. Let's create a password. And let's confirm the password. I think I made a mistake. Let's go again. Okay, let's go next. Add a recovery email. For sure you already have an email, so always, in case something happens, in case you forget your password, it's important to have a recovery email. I will put another email that I have for one of my businesses as a recovery email. Phone number. If you want, you can add this. If not, it's not mandatory. I will skip this. Review your account info. You can use this email address to sign in later. fitpatientgain@gmail.com. Next. Choose personalization settings. Express personalization, manual personalization. I don't know if this is mandatory. Let's try. Okay, let's do the express option because I don't want to, personalize or check a lot of things. Confirm personalized settings, website activity, YouTube story, personalization. You can personalize this, of course, and then you can also, of course, after you create your account, then you can change it. Privacy terms. I agree. No, danke. And as simple as that, your Google Gmail account is ready. You can set it up for business, for including maps, products of Google search, etc. But you can do that after, because as I said, at the moment this is just a trial account for a new business that I'm launching. I want to start sending emails with this address I also want to start, testing, receiving information from other businesses similar to mine, gather some market research. So I will put not now for now, and that's how you create a Gmail account. Okay, now I have my Gmail account. Okay, you can be in Google, you can YouTube, whatever you want, but the important one for me is the email. So let's go check out the email, and in here for sure you will see maybe I have one email from Google, maybe not, but let's see. Okay, now it's open, and as you can see, this is a freshly new created Gmail account. As you can see here, I only have this email, my account is live, and now I can start using this email address to send emails, receive emails, do some outreach, also sign up for some platforms. So that's the quick tutorial video that I wanted to share with you guys today. As you can see, it's very easy, very simple, very straightforward to create a Gmail account. You can do it in less than 5 minutes, so highly encourage you to create one if you don't have one, and start using it for your emails. That's it for today, and with nothing more to say, move, commit, and take action. See you in the next one.